Are you ready for this? I'm Adam Minkley and this is Freeman Toyota's video. Check out the new 19 Avalon. We're excited about the Amped Up Challenge. This is an amazing new sound system for the 19 Avalon. It's got 14 speakers, including JBL speakers for your highs, mids, and bass in the trunk. It's 1200 watts of power, and it has the new Apple CarPlay. Come on in, let's check it out.
Okay, we're in the 2019 Avalon, and here it is. This stereo system is amazing. The components here that customers used to buy, like tweeters, subwoofers, all come standard in this system on the limited inventory. And it's only a $600 upgrade on the XLE and XLS Avalon. It's available in many of our new Toyota models, and we're very excited. Now, with 14 speakers, we have some tweeters for the highs, mid-range, and the subwoofer in the trunk. It has 1200 watts of power, and now we have Apple CarPlay. Other than Apple CarPlay, we also have Intune 3.0, so we can use the internet from our phone through the dash of the radio to help us with everyday things. Now, we also, with the Apple CarPlay, we can stream music, and it has Clarify, which Clarify digitally restores our music to its original form, and so it sounds way better. By remastering the sound, it doesn't matter if it's Bluetooth audio or if it's music that were coming from the radio or the satellite radio trial, it sounds phenomenal. We also can listen to audiobooks, podcasts, it'll read our text messages out loud to us, and so much more. You guys are going to absolutely love the way that this JBL system sounds.